What's happening? As you see in the other videos, we just got back from Daytona, and I saw a whole bunch of people carrying their bikes behind their SUVs with a MotoTote. So I ordered one, and they shipped it out very fast, which is a bonus. This isn't a bonus because old dude does not like to be uncomfortable. I have my toolbox, and I have an assortment of other tools that I'm going to show you. And I'm filming this by myself, and guess who just showed up? What is the man doing in the trunk?
I don't know.
Get out of the trunk. I'm going to get out of the trunk now.
Should I close you in there?
Goodbye. We'll see you soon. This is it's a wet dry test. Oh no, it's a plaster wall test. Find out if you have water behind your walls. Water. This is another wet. Oh no, it's a measure of heat. 86 degrees. Here, give me some of that. Only 80. We need to warm that baby up. So we got lots of measures. Oh, we found one. This could be useful. This is one of the attachers. Let's open the box. My pops bought me this Leatherman 30 years ago, and it's one thing I have never lost. It's pretty cool. Let's open and pray that this thing is put together already. Oh, I'm gonna have to put it together. Instructions start here. But we'll do it. And these are the straps. You know what's coming next. A box in a box.
Box, 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 box.
That's for the rear wheel. That's going to secure it. Oh, a box in a box in a box. And we have some more straps. And we have the lights. Are we doing this?
So you can bring your bike different places that are farther away.
Yes, that's what we're gonna get down. Why are you doing this? Because I drove my bike to Daytona. There was no way I was driving back after a full track day. I ended up paying my son to drive his bike back home, his car back, took my Ducati and bringing it back home. This is going to be huge. I have some cool content planned coming up. I have some really, honestly, really cool ideas. It's going to be fun. We're going to be living life, baby. Because that's what it's all about. Why didn't we think of this? I got one of my helpers here. This is Captain. He's my, what is he, 7.5? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? That's my good boy. That's my good boy. You gonna help me put this together? Hey man, I was sitting in your spot. I was in the trunk. Why was I in the trunk? It was one of my videography ideas. Just don't bring out the little wrench. Man. I won't say nothing. Come here, boy. What do we got here, buddy? Good boy. Jimmy, come here. There's my helpers. Now we got all my helpers. Good boy. Hi, good girl. Now I got all my helpers. After 2 trips to the hardware store, I found out that these are 3/4 inch. The other ones are 5/8. The instruction didn't say that. I'm I'm gonna get Brett's help and we're gonna load the Ducati up and see if it fits. I haven't tightened everything both down yet. 3/4 socket and wrench, and also a 5/8 is what I use to put it in. Pretty simple, it's not that big of a deal. If I can do it, anybody can. You can adjust the length of the aft of the rear tire and the front tire. I also bought, what's recommended, is a couple more anti-rattle hitch tighteners. And that's gonna go on later on. Now we're not gonna tighten it completely down to the car. We're gonna first see if it works, and then we'll put it on the car. And then we'll put the bike on the car. But first, let's put the bike on the MotoTote, but not on the car, to see if it fits. Stand by. Woo! Love it. Very simple. We're gonna make sure that the link is good. And then we're gonna tighten everything down. And then we're gonna put it on the Audi. Fingers crossed. Honestly, that was easy so far, but I'm gonna move it back one section and run here. So this is gonna be just 3 bolts. I'm gonna extend it just about 5-6 inches maybe, and it should be perfect. Comment if you guys have a MotoTote, or if you know somebody who does have a MotoTote, and if you have advice or any other ideas, please comment below, because I actually really do need the advice, because I want to make sure this is correct. Subscribe so you don't miss the new content that I have coming up. It's going to be awesome. The MotoTote's going to allow me to go to a lot of different cities. Let's get this thing extended. Why are you laughing? You want me to break out the big ratchet? We had that on
That
film.
little thing.
Like I said, I have nothing locked down right now, but I do need to make sure that these are facing upward, right? So I can strap the bike down. There's that. And then we'll go extend it. That's in. Let's walk it up again. Hopefully the wheel's going to be more centered, the rear wheel. That's the plan. Oh, much better. Comment down below what you guys think so far. And when Brett or Shanna get home, they're going to be my helpers. We're going to put it on the hitch of the car and see if it floats up there. Just like that. And then we're going to homestead. But that's basically the tools you need. Pretty simple stuff. And I'll be honest with you, at the moment, it's a little sketchy. We're going to do it. Full send. YOLO. It looks like I got to get the old adapter for this. I reckon True Value has that one. Let's go. 7 blade to 4 flat. And we have lights. This will be the rear tire holder downer. So this basically just goes around the rear tire and tightens everything down pretty good. Yeah, it's light. The U-bolt that I bought, that was recommended, thank you very much on the comments, was Facebook, I believe, is going to help this. I'm also going to tighten this as well, which is going to help this motion. And we're going to tighten these right here. You can zoom into this. Everything isn't completely tightened yet. However, we are going to try to load the bike right now. If it falls, bummer, but good content. What do you say we go for it? So I do a 215-pound test first. YOLO. YOLO. Alright, turn it off. More. Ooh, I don't know. What do y'all think?
We gotta strap it in as well.
Yeah, we got the strap. Looks cool. It's gonna make for a nervous ride. Comment down below. I'm gonna leave it at this now. I'm not gonna finish, and I'm not gonna tow it anywhere until I get some good comments and some good advice. Hey, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Gotta be careful when you come down there. I would only recommend this professionals only. I'm not one of those. But so far so good. This is a two-person job. I'm gonna take it to the Audi place to make sure the tongue weight's all good. If it's all good, I think that we're golden. We could probably jump on it. That's about 300, that's almost 400 pounds right there, right? Now I still have to tighten everything. See, don't get me wrong. We have to tighten that part. So how you serve?
Show us breath.